I'm here to represent my FIP. I have developed this application based on the concept when I try to learn the new emerging technologies just like blockchain, cryptocurrency, DevOps, cloud computing. So these all new emerging technologies have a minimum learning material and training videos, and the existing platforms are not capable to provide enough training material for the new learners. Even one who is trying to learn it and who is trying to invest in crypto world, so he cannot find a single website which could help him in investment details and in learning perspective. So this is the application, and this application covering all aspects of a major business learner or investor or a student. So when a user visit this website, he would see first this screen. This screen carries the global crypto statistics. Total cryptocurrencies launched up till now. It will fetch on real-time basis from the API provided by different major crypto developers and other companies such as Rapid API. Total market capacity of cryptocurrencies it will show, and total cryptocurrency around 15,644, total exchange 172, and all the other information, 24-hour volume of cryptocurrencies and markets. Then the second section shows the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world up till now. So it will fetch all the cryptocurrencies from different sources, and then it will sort out them in the hierarchy based upon different categories. For example, the rating, the market currency's value, and its popularity. So the Bitcoin is the first, and Ethereum on second rank, and until Hex and Solana. So if I want to see more currencies, I can click here. Later in third section, it will show the latest crypto news. It will fetch all news from different sources, for example, International Business Times and MSN and MSN.com and Science Alert and other sources, and all the news that carries the word about cryptocurrency and other trading markets. So it will show all the news based upon the major uh, filter which I have set in the code. For example, there is the filter and queries for fetching out the information related to the news of cryptocurrencies and its markets. So user can watch out. It is 5 hours ago news, so it will fetch latest news. I'm using the MSN Microsoft API for news purposes. So this is the first section. In second section or page, and these are the all cryptocurrencies, major cryptocurrencies launched up till now. So these cryptocurrencies are up to 100. It will fetch 100. We can fetch more than that, but I think 100 is enough. It is a big number. I can search any currency here. For example, I search for Cardin. When I type CAR, it will check the phrase I have typed and fetch all the matching cryptocurrencies card then. Okay, I can see on a specific cryptocurrency. Also, when I click, it will redirect me to a detailed page. In this page, I can check out detail for a specific currency. Ethereum is the most popular currency after Bitcoin, and it is a network where we can deploy our blockchain uh, applications, which is called dApps, decentralized applications. So here it will tell the Ethereum live price in US dollar and view value stats, market capacity, and supply. So this will show the Ethereum price chart, and this chart is very important. I have developed this chart with Chart.js, which is the library of JavaScript, and it is purely coded, not used by any package. So I can filter out. 3 hours, 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, 1 year, 3 months, and 3 year, and up to 5 years. For example, I want to see the 24 years record. So the graph constantly change, and it will show the record of a 1 year or some days. So it is showing that the change occurs up to now in Ethereum value is minus 8.65%, and current Ethereum price into market is 1.5 thousand US dollars. Later on, I can check out the Ethereum value stats, price to in USD, rank in crypto world, and 24-hour volume, which is not calculated yet, market capacity 184.8 billion, and all-time highly daily average of the Ethereum is 4.9K. And later on, I checked other stat info, overview of other Ethereum standards, rank, and code currency. So it is number of markets for Ethereum is 2,845, number of exchanges 144, approved supply, and other total supply up to now is 122.3 million, and circulating supply is 122.9 million. If I am a beginner and new to this world, so I don't know what is Ethereum, and I want to get a quick overview about it. So this section help me. It will fetch all the details published in different sites about Ethereum and show for the users and learners and investors. And every currency you can check every currency and its detail in my website. So the goal of Ethereum, who build it, and all other important links. And these links are generated dynamically. No custom work are required to check the proper links of every cryptocurrency and news. So I can go for ethereum.org, which is its official website. I can for Bitcoin talk, I can go for its Facebook pages, I can go for its GitHub repo, which is very important for developers, Reddit community, Twitter, and YouTube community. So every currency you can check it for its detail. For example, we go for Binance, and you can fetch all the record for Binance in a fraction of seconds. So all these links. Okay. Later on, we go for news section. So here I can search for specific news. For example, don't want news about cryptocurrency. I want news on Binance currency. So I will click on Binance coin. So it will immediately fetch all news about Binance. This is Binance will transform users and all the news, and I can look into specific news in details. So this is the very important functionality of my website for investors and stock marketers, which are capable of watching and getting news in fraction of second about any currency which they are investing. For example, I want to see news for DOI, so I will click here, and the news will publish here. For example, I want to search for a specific coin, for example, Solana. So Solana is here, and I click here, and it will fetch all news about Solana or other currencies. Sorry, it's my mistake. Okay, search for Solana, and it's fetched out all news published in different news sources: Outlook, India, Yahoo Finance, Ripple, and other sources, and it fetched out all news for me to look them into one place. Uh, the detail of the news is here. Okay. The third section is very important. It's crypto meat, and in single word, I can say it is the simple uh, a copy of the Zoom application, where we can talk with our friends, class fellows, and learners can communicate with each other for better practice and for better communication about a specific topic. Here they can enter their name. For example, I enter my name Shiraz Iqbal and I create meeting ID. If you have ID, you can click here and enter the ID. You will call for your friend. It will generate two links: attendee URL and host URL. So if you share this URL with your friends, for example, I share it into a new tab, so we can check it out. So I started meeting as a host. I want to set my name as a display name, for example, Shiraz, and this is open. And now on second, for example, I enter my friend name, Hassan Saad, and he joins them. So both participants have joined this meeting. We can open our camera to communicate in a video chat. Here are some options. There's audio option, video, screen sharing, and hangout option. And the participants, every attendee can look after here for them later on. This is the chat box where everyone can send message in a group. This is group chat. And every person in the meeting will get this message with the name instantly, and everyone can send private message to his friend. For example, I want to send a private message to my friend during class, Hassan Saad. So I say, hi Hassan. So this message will be a private message for Hassan Saad. No one can see besides Hassan. So two messages. One is the private and other is the group message. This is the group chat, and Hassan can see also the private message by Shiraz, and this is the message. So this is the major functionality of my application. Uh, let us see the second option. This is the crypto chat, and this application is very great for the one-to-one call. So this application lightweight and generate a ID, so you can share your ID with your friends, and he can call to you using his internet connection. For example, I type here my name, for example, Saad, and I copy my ID. I place my ID here to call, and I call it. This will generate a ID with weBRTC, which is a library and package for real-time data transformation and calling through web. And Peer.js library is used for peering connection, and other socket.io for socket. So Saad is calling. Here is the notification, and I answer the call. Later on, the third and the last major part of my application is the social media part of this website, which is the crypto video. This is like a social media application and YouTube application where every user can upload some specific topic. Everyone can learn, like them, comment them, and share their knowledge with others. So this application is very great for learners and investors. Here, everyone can the videos and lectures for the popular topics are the suggested topics, for example, blockchain, coding, cloud computing, cryptocurrency, DevOps technology. And the second section of this part is showing the suggested account. every registered user and visited user will be the short hair, just like in Twitter account. So we can go instantly for our liked account or our friend account. So these are the suggested account based on the activity of user. So for example, I go for the this Fedora account. So it will open, and how much videos has uploaded my friend, and how much he liked one video, but he didn't upload anything. For example, I go for the Shiraz account. So Shiraz has liked many videos, and he also has uploaded some videos. Yes, he has uploaded some videos. Okay. For example, I want to take lectures of blockchain. So just click on the blockchain section, and the all videos, if available, they will show here. If I go for the coding section, and this will instantly fetch all the videos related to the topic of coding or blockchain. For example, the topic is coding, and the all videos on this page will be available for coding, not other topic. So I open the coding video. I can play this video. I can mute this video. I can like and dislike this video, and I can place comment for this video. So good. I set the command, and it will instantly display the content on the main stream. So that look, this is going for admin. Good. Okay, we can upload new videos. Everyone will upload a video for type MP4 or WebM or OG. Other videos will not be accepted up to 2 GB size. He will select the video, he will say choose a topic, and then he will click the post, and the video will display on mainstream. He can search any video and any account here. So we can log into our account with Google. No other account will be accepted in our application. For example, I log out and sign in with Google button is displayed. And this is the latest technology provided by Google OAuth 2.0, which is launched by local in 2022, and June 2022 was the first date when Google launched this new technology, Google 2.0 OAuth, and this is the seamless sign in and sign up for any application. For example, I want to go with this application, so it will confirm my account, and then it will log into it. So my account has changed, and I have logged in as Shiraz freelancer. So this is the overview of my application. Hopefully you will like it and suggest me some more improvements in this application. Thank you very much.